Hey guys, Jordan here, and today we're going to be opening the KDS A-5 V2 helicopter. So this has all the V2 parts in it. So let's get started. Open the first box in the middle. So here in this box we have the KDS A-5 Canopy. Really amazed by the quality of this canopy. Nice fiberglass canopy. In the same box we have the carbon frames. We have the rest of the plates for the frame, carbon fiber elevator bracket, the carbon fiber trays. Very nice machining quality. In the next box, we have some of the frame pieces. So the first bag looks like the head assembly. Second bag is the tail belt assembly. Third bag is the rails and the frame components, the servo spacers, a lot of the frame pieces, and then the fourth bag we have the trays. We'll go ahead and open up each bag. So in the fourth bag you can see some really beautiful machined frame pieces. There's the motor mount, the bearing supports for the main shaft and for the pulley, the landing skid brackets. We have the upper bearing block support for the main shaft. It has a nice carbon fiber ring on the top. All the screws are in place so that you don't miss any screws. In this bag, you can see we have the carbon fiber servo mounts. We also have the linkages, the battery tray rail assembly, boom clamp pieces. We have the tail servo brackets. Some more of the frame spacers. These have bolt to the plates. We have the tail belt guides right here. We have the battery clip and the servo tabs. In the next bag we have the tail grips, the tail slider pitch control components. We have the tail belt right here. Very nice aluminum tail pulley and tail shaft. We have the boom support brace ring. We have the tail pulley box right here, and really nice carbon fiber pieces that go over the ends. In the last bag we have the main shaft, the rotor head, and the swash plate. Very nice machining and anodizing, as you can tell. Let's open the next box. So in the next box we have the blade holder right here, and we have the skid feet. Let's go ahead and open this bag. So in this bag, you can see we have this is the tail pulley that goes on the main shaft, nicely anodized. We have the reduction gear right here, and the Delrin main gear. So in the last box, we have the A-5 boom. We have the tail boom supports, and we have the skid pipes. So that wraps what's in the box. So here are all the package contents of the KDS A-5. It's a very nicely put together kit. Obviously, you can tell they've saved a lot of money to pass the cost down to you guys for not putting as much money in the packaging of the kit. But as you see, all of the contents have arrived safely. They're beautifully machined. Looks like a really nice kit. I have flown this helicopter, and I have to say it is a very, very good flying helicopter. It flies very well. Definitely recommend it. I'm going to get started on doing this build. Definitely recommend this helicopter for those of you who fly RC helicopters or are looking into their next big helicopter. Please subscribe, like this video, and have a great day flying.